my channel. My name is Dina. Thank you so much for being here. On this episode, I give you guys some great tips on how to pick a makeup brand that's right for you. Hey guys, welcome back. Do you ever feel overwhelmed walking into the makeup store? There's so many brands, from luxury brands to lower end brands. How do you know what brand is right for you? I'm going to give you guys some great helpful tips and tricks and just some things that I've learned along the way. So being in the makeup industry for the past 8 years, I myself have had access to luxury brands as well as brands that aren't even accessible to people that don't have their esthetician license or their cosmetology license. So I feel like I really have some great background information to give to you guys, so that way you guys can make the best decision on what skincare and what makeup is right for your specific skin type. Now, what helped me pick what makeup brand I want to specifically work for is researching the philosophy on makeup brands. So I knew I wanted to become a makeup artist, but I didn't want to work for a brand that, didn't fit my personality. Working for a brand, you want to be able to best represent your brand. So what made me, decide to pick a brand and helped me pick a brand was researching all the brand's different philosophies. So my favorite brand is Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I just love Bobbi Brown as a person. If you guys don't know her, I recommend researching her, just her as a person. She just believes in beauty from the inside out. Overall, her nutrition, her skincare, everything about her and her philosophy. I just love her, as well as her cosmetics. So Bobbi Brown's philosophy is that makeup should be quick and natural. It should enhance somebody's natural beauty. And another thing that Bobbi Brown says that really just sits with me is that every woman is pretty, but with makeup can be pretty powerful. How beautiful is that? Which I think is something that is so accurate. Every woman, every guy out there is so beautiful in their own way, but makeup definitely does just adds a little bit of fun, adds a little bit of brightness, adds a little bit of color, and just overall makes you kind of feel better about yourself, and overall makes you put together. If you are in a professional setting, it is very important that you do go out with a little bit of makeup on. So, how to pick what brand is right for you? You want to start off by researching the philosophy, and also too, you want to go to the makeup store and you want to ask the makeup artist to sit down and explain to her what your regime is, what your daily lifestyle is like, so that way you guys can come up with a makeup plan that's right for your specific daytime routine. So sit with your makeup artist, tell her your daytime routine, tell her what you're looking for in your makeup. Also too, whenever you search for the philosophy, you're going to be a lot happier with your makeup. So for example, if you're the type of girl or the type of guy out there that likes your makeup to look a little bit more natural, and you go to a brand that's a little bit edgier, a little bit more fun, for example, like NARS or MAC, you might be a little bit disappointed. I know I used to have a lot of customers come up to me and tell me, hey Dina, that makeup artist over there, she didn't do a good job. Her makeup is, so heavy. Don't blame it on the makeup artist. It's not the makeup artist's fault. That's how she's taught. That's what she's trained. So it never falls back onto the makeup artist. It just goes back to the brand and back to the philosophy and back to what you're looking for in your makeup. So if you want something a little bit more natural, a little bit more wearable throughout the day, I recommend Bobbi Brown, Laura Mercier, also Charlotte Tilbury. She has some great makeup to wear throughout the day that's a little bit more minimal. And then if you're the type of person out there that likes something a little bit edgier, a little bit more colorful, there's Tom Ford, NARS, MAC. So there's so many different types of brands out there that do tailor to your specific personality. So just do your research, ask questions. Also, don't be shy to tell the makeup artist if you don't like something or if you want to change something. Your makeup artist should be open to suggestions. I know for me personally, if somebody wanted something a little bit heavier, because I'm naturally a little bit more light-handed, because you can always add more, but doing makeup, it's kind of hard to take it away. So if you ever want to change something, tell your makeup artist, hey, can you, try this? I want it to look a little bit different, or can you try this product on me? Do whatever think you want. I know some, professionals will give you their recommendation, and that's great. That's our job, is to give you our professional recommendation. But at the end of the day, you're going to be wearing the makeup. And if I recommend something that I think is right for you, but in your head, you're not going to do it, you're not really going to do it. So just be sure to sit down, talk to your makeup artist, tell her exactly what you want, and research the brand's philosophy, and then you will not be disappointed in any makeup store that you go to. Alright, you guys, if you have any more questions, feel free to comment me down below. If you want me to personally help you pick out a makeup brand, give me a comment and I will help you pick one. Alright, until then, take care and have a beautiful day. Bye.